Yo guys, what's up? Today in the crowdfunding review series of this new investing trend that's been going on, I'm here with Republic. Now, Republic is a little different. You can see some of these things that are going right now. They have a lot of opportunities. Not all of them I've heard of before. I've hardly actually heard of hardly any of them. So it's pretty interesting. Let's go to one I've actually invested in. Here's one I committed, see, $20. So that's pretty interesting the way I have this set up. Kind of like seedinvest has autoinvest. They have something similar. And they have a minimum of $20 to get in. Now, in order to set this up, let me go to... where did I go? My portfolio. Try that. So you can see what I've invested in so far. Century AI, I invested $20. ASAC, $20. Sunscoop, I actually really liked, so they weren't at the $20 level. They wouldn't accept that investment on the auto invest. So I actually put in $250. And I'm going to make a separate video about Sunscoop. So they're pretty cool. So stay tuned for that. And then Canopy. So you can see, invest in one tap. You can download the app from the Apple Store, but there's no app for Android. That's a little disappointing. I would really like to see them have an app for Android. Now let's go over the autopilot. So you can see this is autopilot. You commit a certain amount of capital, and then they invest in things for you. And you can turn it off. You can deny them or whatever. You see, this is the new one that's coming up. You can opt out. So I'll take a look at that one. Gaming's Interactive Experience Company. Okay, I'll have to check that out. Anyway, they give you set a yearly limit, and you say, okay, I'm willing to invest $20 a deal. That's the minimum. And not every deal will qualify for that. And I will say, okay, a maximum of 25 deals a year. So you can see I've invested about $60. You can update your limit at any time. So like I said, I'm just trying this out, reviewing this for you guys, and I want to get into this space myself, right? So I'm looking at seedinvest. I've looked at microventures and a couple other ones that I'm looking at that I don't want to tell you about yet, because I'll tell you about that in a little bit. But you can do a lot of different things here. So you can invest in different things. You can learn. There's a fact and a blog. Pretty interesting. Say why. Right? Now, like I said before, this is like angel investing, right? This is the new crowdfunding thing. And usually only the wealthiest people in America or in the world could invest in these kind of opportunities. So it's pretty cool, right? You get in early, get an opportunity, find companies you believe in. It's pretty awesome. And the risk-reward ratio is pretty high, right? You risk a lot of money, you risk a lot of capital, right? Because I would say 4 out of 5 of these companies might fail or not come through. And so that 1 out of 5 or 1 out of 10 is going to be like a 100x bagger, basically. Imagine investing in Tesla or Apple or Amazon when it was in angel investing stage, right? You all say, oh, well, if we would have bought the stock when it first came IPO, we would have been rich. But those guys who got in before it became IPO are mega rich. So that's what we're looking for, right? We're looking for the next Amazon, the next Apple. I'm not sure all these companies will qualify for that, but you never know what you're going to find, right? So I just wanted to give you guys a little glimpse of this and tell you about the automatic investing that I like a lot in this application. I do like the fact that it's very small commitment of capital, right? Typically it's 50 to 100,000. All these crowdfunding applications have a minimum of like maybe 100 or 200 or 250. But these guys have taken it to the next level, right? They have this autopilot, kind of like seedinvest has the automatic invest. I think their minimum is like 100, I believe. And go back and watch my other seedinvest video if you're interested in that one. But this one's only 20 bucks, so it's pretty cool. I like it a lot. Go over this autopilot tab again. So you can go and customize this however you want, basically. You can go in, you could change your yearly limit to 100 bucks. You could change it to 100,000 bucks. And per deal, you can vary that as well. You can do as many deals pretty much as you want up to the limit. So it's pretty cool. I really like this this website, republic.co. If you guys are looking for a way to do angel investing and get in companies early, this is another way to do it. Alright guys, if you guys have any questions or comments, you think I'm crazy or stupid, let me know in the comments below. Be interested to hear what you got to say. I'm pretty new to this angel investing, crowdfunding space, so I'd like to hear your thoughts. Yeah, this is another way to build wealth. So, like I said before, subscribe to my channel if you want to learn how to build wealth with not only the stock market, options, cryptocurrency, but also alternative investments. This is one of the alternative investments that has a lot of potential for making a lot of money. Although, even at $20, even if it's 100 bagger, you're not going to become rich, right? So, like I said before, I'm just kind of testing this out, see which one I like. I'll probably try these for about a year. I'll do some periodic updates on different ones and let you guys know which one I like the best at the end. Alright? So, like I said before, subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like if you like this video. Really appreciate it. Alright guys, thanks for watching.